All right, we are moving the Cornish Cross chicks out into the chicken tractor for the first day. About 10 o'clock in the morning. They've been fed a little bit of food, but most of them are huddled around the remainder of the food. But you have 3 special ed chickens over here in the corner that don't know there's food right there, and water right there, and water right there. And Miss Cliffside is doing the honors, unloading them. 29 of them. Oh, getting close to the end. Oh, well, maybe the slow learners will wander over there and realize there's a feeding trough. Yay, there's a feeding trough. 3 more. There's 3 more. The last 3 to get to the feed trough. Uh-oh, the poor last bird, the one that's going to get the least amount of food choice today.
No, I'm going to put her up there where the food is.
You're going to put her all the way up there right in the middle of the feeding pack. Yeah, okay. Day 1. Or the Cornish Cross out on grass, and about 10 times as much space as they had in that 3x3 brooder, going to a 10 by 16 or 15. Yeah, it's 10 by, well, anyway, it's 10 feet long and about 6.5 feet wide.
Want me going there and move the feed down?
Yeah, you can. That way I'll give it a little bit more feed choice. All the way up and down the tray. And you can move the other waterer if you want back up here to the front. It'll make filling it back up easier.
I got it. You need to push the door closed. You don't have to close it, you just push it.
I'm going to spread that remainder of the food out a little bit to give some of them a better choice. Miss Cliffside is just spreading it all out. Give them all a chance to get to the salad bar or the buffet.
But they all hover in the middle.
Well, we don't know how to eat without being on top of each other. That's the way we've always been. Well, they'll learn.
Okay, little girl. Come on. Come on. I know. You just don't know what to do you? Here you go. Here you go. Here.
They're kind of like kids. You can't make them. They got to want to.
Oh, they're going towards the sunlight.
They're trying to figure out what this green stuff is that they're walking around on. And first time in direct sunlight.
Do I need to put the chain up on top of the container? I think I do.
Yeah, there's a few of them hanging out here in the direct sunlight.
There we go.
Oh, they're a little quieter now than they were on the trip over. And you see some of them, they're just walking in the feed trough. But that won't happen for much longer because they won't be able to get in that feed trough very long. And when I raise it, it'll swing a little bit more. And when it swings, they won't typically want to stay on top of that. Matter of fact, I think I want to go in there and raise that other end. Well, folks, we appreciate you joining us on this Cornish Cross chicken journey here in the middle of May. The chicks are 3 weeks and 1 day old. All right, folks, we'll see you on the other side.